Hi, I'm Tim Hummer with Suracy. Here at Suracy, we know that searching for and securing the right insurance can be difficult, so we're going to try to make it a little easier for you. Today, we're talking about things you should consider when purchasing insurance. The typical relationship that consumers have with insurance is with their agent or broker. There are two primary types of agents. An independent agent that represents a number of different insurance companies, or a direct or captive agent that represents one insurance company. When you're thinking about buying insurance, it's important to consider the agent you're working with. An independent agent needs to be licensed, have expertise, and they may ultimately have more options for you to choose from, while a captive agent typically only works with one insurance company, which may substantially limit your ability to compare. Many consumers opt to go with independent agents because it allows them many options when shopping for and buying insurance. Regardless of what kind of agent you go with, it's important that your agent listens to your needs, learns about your organization and operation, and ask lots of questions to determine the correct policy, coverages, and limits for you. When purchasing insurance, there are a number of different questions you should ask your agent to help determine if a policy is a right fit for you and your organization. It is a good idea to secure coverage that addresses your individual organization's operations and risk. What products and limits work for one organization will not necessarily work for another, just like we see in personal insurance. For example, if your organization is a church, your policy should reflect this and may offer coverages that help protect, let's say, stained glass windows in the event of an accident. Having a carrier that is reputable with a proven track record of reliability and financial stability should something occur is very important. As a reminder, the carrier is the insurance company who will actually write your policies and is responsible for paying your claims. Essentially, they are the financial resource for your coverage. All carriers have financial strength ratings. Typically, you should be searching for a company with an A- or better rating. These ratings are available to the public and they can be found online through a quick search. Again, every organization is unique. It is important to understand what your policy offers protection for, what is included, what is excluded. In some cases, there are supplemental policies available to help with excluded risks. You should always talk to your agent about what coverage is appropriate for your organization to ensure you and your organization are appropriately protected. You want an agency that has experience working with organizations like yours and can connect you to insurance carriers with experience in servicing your industry. Individual agents should be licensed to help you make the right decisions for your insurance needs. Picking the right agent and the right coverage is important and should be taken seriously. The cost of insurance is different for each organization because it factors in criteria specific to each customer. Your industry can affect how many products you need. The size and age of your buildings can affect your property premium. Geography can also come into play, with certain areas of the country being at a higher risk for things like hurricanes, windstorms, or hailstorms. These all can result in higher premiums. Sometimes more comprehensive coverage can come with a higher price tag, but it may be beneficial in the long run in the event you have a loss or a claim. There are many things that go into the cost of your insurance. Because of this, you should speak with your agent about your risk and the coverage that is appropriate for your organization. And you should ask for quotes from multiple carriers whenever possible to help you comparison shop. Agents recognize that saving money matters, and they can help you choose the right coverage at the best possible price. There are many ways you can save money on insurance where it makes sense. As mentioned before, asking for quotes from multiple carriers can help you comparison shop to get a better rate. Additionally, there are certain things you can do from a risk management and loss control perspective that may qualify you for a lower premium or discount. Please check out our other videos for more information on loss control and risk management. There is a lot to think about when securing your insurance. Beyond what we've already discussed, remember that buying insurance is entering into a contract. You should ask a lot of questions to help determine what is right for you. Also, another thing to be aware of is if there are certain coverages or limits you are required to carry for your organization. For example, you may be required to carry a certain limit to be hired for a position or job. Overall, the insurance buying process can be complex, but it is not something you should stress out too much about. Having a good agent and carrier can certainly help you through the insurance buying process. Thank you for taking some time to review purchasing insurance with us. If you have further questions, all of us at Suracy are here to help. Please contact us today.